Some heroes wear capes, but these real-life heroes wear badges. Watch what happens when these brave officers risk everything in the very last second. Number 1, a police officer racing against time to pull an unconscious driver out of a burning car right before it explodes.
Yeah, but there was a diesel kerosene mix in it last night, or yesterday.
Is it, can I go up to it?
You can go up to it, I just don't know if it's gonna be...
The officer getting the driver out, a car passenger and the driver of the Freightliner escaping on their own.
Number 2, 2 terrified dogs trapped in a freezing lake, saved by brave officers walking onto the thin ice.
Hey guys, you guys okay? Come on boys, you coming? Come on buddies, you okay? Come on guys, you coming? Come on, you need help? Hi, hi, you coming? Come on, come on. Hey buddy, come here, come here. Good job buddy, good job, come on guys, come on. Come on, let's go, come on, come on. Good boys, come on, come on. You go bye-bye, let's go, come on. Come on, let's go, let's go.
Number 3, officers breaking through windows to rescue an entire family from a raging house fire.
Is everybody out? Is everybody out? Where are they at? They're inside? Hey, come out here, come out here. Come out. Is this door not open?
Yeah, it does, but it's the same.
Well, I need inside. Here, break this glass. Watch out. I'm gonna break this glass. Come on. Come on.
To the right, to the right, to the right.
To the right. Come on.
Boys.
Hey, come on.
Boys. Boys, wake up. Come on.
42, I'm inside the house.
Come on.
Come on.
Boys, come on.
Come on. It's okay.
Go, go, go. Hey, come on. Get up, get up.
We got kids inside here. Come on, man.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, come on, it's okay. Come on.
Come on.
Get up.
Get up. Get up. Come on.
Get up.
Come on, back here.
Number 4, a heroic officer wading through powerful floodwaters to rescue a helpless infant from a trapped vehicle.
Here, we're going in.
Let me go.
Very good. Yeah, give me the baby.
I don't want to open the door here. Hold on, quick.
Hold up, bro.
No, cover him, cover him.
I got the baby out. Cover him.
Yeah.
Number 5, an officer intentionally crashing his cruiser into a dangerous suspect to protect innocent lives on the highway. Number 6, a highway patrol officer surviving a terrifying near-fatal truck crash by just a split second. real-life Spider-Man scaling a building with bare hands to save a dangling toddler. Number 8, an officer using a knife to carefully free a distressed baby deer tangled in a dangerous net.
You're okay. You're okay. You're almost there, buddy. Alright, it's all good.
Number 9, quick-thinking officers performing emergency CPR to save a choking 6-month-old baby girl.
Okay, this child is with this disabled, and what's the,
She's
What's
choking a little. She's
ailment?
what? She's choking. It looks like she's choked, so that's why I step it up. Alright. Put her.
You got her?
You got her? Go.
I got her. Okay.
At an angle.
I got her.
Angle, like 45-degree angle.
Come here, sweetie. You seem really strong, too. Come on.
squads and wraps?
Alright, 40. Lay on your arm like this.
Yeah, like
22 radio, I got it.
You got her?
Yep.
that works.
Thank you.
So you got her
Yeah.
thing for her nose. Hang on. Yeah, I can hear air moving. How old is she?
She's 2 months.
Okay. She's moving air. I can.
She's not turning any different.
Okay, she's breathing.
Which of these legendary rescues gave you chills? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more mind-blowing archives. And finally, I pay my respects to all the heroes in the world. If you like the video, you can support it by subscribing and liking. I'm Thej.